VVIP brat Vikas Barala was produced in court yesterday and sent to police custody till August 12th. Police recreated the crime scene last night. Our reporter Shivani was at the spot and clearly it looked more like a drama than a reconstruction.
There, right next to us, is the DSP leading the cavalcade which is taking the two accused for the reconstruction. And in the middle seat of that police car, you can see the accused trying to shield their face and trying to cover it up as we try to chase them during this reconstruction. There you can see the accused in the blue t-shirt. The DSP was leading that car, the police van, the first one. Following it are actually two other cars. So there are three fully packed police personnel vans that are going across Chandigarh right now to try and reconstruct the crime scene, taking the accused there. Remember, this was the main reason why they sought the police custody and the remand for these accused. We are going to wait and see just exactly where they start. Reconstruction by logic means that they will start at the start point and take it till its end, which was in Panchkula for Varnika. As we chase this cavalcade, it seems the police is trying to dodge the media very, very hard, but Republic TV is on their tail. There has been no reconstruction, recreation of the crime scene as such, because all we've seen is the police take a tour with the accused till the entry point of Panchkula from Chandigarh. But they did not get down, they did not stop, and the way that this car was packed with the accused, it is not possible that they were able to even speak much about what happened at any spot. It is clear that there were no questions asked because the cars were moving so fast. So initially it seemed like this was a decoy to perhaps lose the media at its heels. And then they took them to the hospital for a medical, where we even tried to pose questions to Vikas and accused. Both of them continued to hide themselves, their faces from the media. We asked them what their response was to the allegations made against them, but they did not speak. The police has been shielding them quite a bit as well, and that we have seen, happening throughout any time that these two are supposed to be in front of the media. They're back at the Sector 26 police station. One wonders if there's going to be a proper reconstruction or if this is going to be the end of it all.
क्योंकि पुलिस पे राजनीतिक पावर का ज़्यादा दबाव था, तो फिर हमारी केस की कोई सुनवाई नहीं हुई और हमने फिर हाई कोर्ट में अपने केस की याचिका दायर की कि हमें इंसाफ चाहिए, हमारे साथ गलत हुआ है। इसी कारण से हमें इस केस को वापस रीओपन किया है।